Can baking soda and powdered sugar be combined with other natural ant repellents to manage severe infestations effectively? Baking soda, mixed with powdered sugar, attracts ants with the sugar and can kill them when ingested due to the alkaline effect of the baking soda, but use it as one component of a broader plan. For active use, make a dry blend of 1 part baking soda to 2 parts powdered sugar and place small amounts where you see worker traffic, not in open living areas or where pets and children can reach it. Pair this with targeted cleaning using white vinegar on counters and floors to remove scent trails and reduce reappearance, wiping twice across the trail and allowing surfaces to air dry. Apply straight lemon juice or diluted lemon solution along baseboards, windowsills, and known entry points, because ants dislike the acidic scent and the juice masks pheromone paths. Create essential oil barriers using peppermint or tea tree oil diluted with water at a concentration of about 10 drops per 8 ounces and spray door thresholds and foundation gaps. Reapply after rain or heavy cleaning. For persistent or hidden colonies, dust food-grade diatomaceous earth lightly into weep holes, wall void access points, and under appliances where it will remain dry and undisturbed, and remember it works physically by abrading insect exoskeletons, so it needs dry placement to be effective. Common mistakes include relying only on attractant baits without removing food sources, which lets colonies persist, so always combine baits with rigorous sanitation and sealing of entry gaps. Another frequent error is overwatering or applying liquids into wall voids, which can wash away powders and encourage mold. So place powders in dry pathways and use liquids only on exposed surfaces and thresholds. People also assume natural products act instantly and then reapply too frequently or in unsafe concentrations. So allow time for baits to work for up to 2 weeks. Reapply essential oils only when the scent fades. And keep all mixtures away from pets and children by using sealed bait stations or out-of-reach placements. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs related to pest control and beyond, helping us find local professionals and project-focused discussions. We host a community discussion area where we share experiences, compare natural strategies, and help each other locate contractors and supplies.